Welcome to Moxy Hotel. This is the newest Marriott hotel brand that is being featured on our channel. This hotel type is a new concept for me and I'm starting to really like it. It provides a minimalistic style similar to AC Hotel but for a younger audience. This review will be a bit different as I'm not so concerned about the bed of the hotel, but concentrating on the highlights of where the hotel does well. This is my third stay at the Moxy Hotels. The first one was in Milan, Italy, the second one was in Bern, Switzerland, and this is the third one in Dublin. I will soon have the review of those stays as well, but for now this is the one in Dublin. This is not a sponsored video and the hotel had no knowledge of me recording this or that I will be publishing this video. It is my true feeling based on my stay there. Before we start, welcome if you are new and thank you to those of you who have been with us since the beginning of our channel. We are ThePanzoAdventures and here on our channel we provide you with flight and hotel reviews and also travel tips. If this type of content interests you, consider subscribing to our channel. Let's start. Moxy Dublin is ideally located in the center of Dublin. Guests will find themselves conveniently situated for both business and leisure pursuit with easy access to Temple Bar areas, Happany Bridge, Trinity College, and more. As you walk in, you are greeted by the beautiful lobby designed for socializing. Unlike other hotels, there is no specific check-in desk. Instead, you check in at the bar. The staff working here at the Dublin Moxy Hotel were amazing. They were knowledgeable, friendly, and inviting. As a theme here in Ireland, of course they spoke other languages as well. So no matter what your language is, rest assured that someone here knows it. By the bar, you have lots of seating spaces for you to enjoy the drinks. Here as well, you can find pool table where you can enjoy a game or two with your friends or strangers that you get to meet here. In the morning, this space is also where the breakfast is served. Speaking of breakfast, the hotel provides breakfast for a fee. Elite members can elect to have food credit that can be applied towards the cost of breakfast. However, the breakfast is additional cost that is not included in the reservation. The breakfast contains a lot of options from carbs, sweets, eggs, and more. They also have several beverages options for your liking. By the front of the hotel, there is some working space for those who are looking for a remote working area. During this stay, I didn't check for the gym or if it was available here, but that is something that you can find directly from the hotel. Also for those driving, the parking is a few minutes away from the hotel. It is not part of the hotel, so you will have to pay directly to the parking lot. Let's evaluate the room. Again, with the minimalistic theme, the rooms are a bit tight. We stayed in the 3 single bedroom, which made the room feel a bit larger. But let's evaluate what is included in the room. Beside the bed, you have a TV, and then you have a coffee machine, a phone that is really cool, and there are plenty of outlets. As for the closet, there is none. You can hang your clothes on these cool hangers. As for the bathroom, it is really tight, but it contains all the items that one will need during their stay. Also, a cool feature is a stand-up shower and not a European tub. You get all the soap and towels that you will need for your stay. Overall, Moxy Dublin City delivers a positive experience for guests seeking relaxation with minimalistic feel. The attentive staff, the beautiful decor, and proximity to Dublin attraction contributes to the overall appeal of the hotel. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smack the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing and help us reach more friends. See you in the next video, which will be the Dublin experience. Alrighty, so we get a tiny little room here. As you can see, it's a little space, but it's like triple bed over here, triple single bed. And then you get a TV right here. Then you got this nostalgic telephone. You kids don't know how this phone works anyway, so there's only people from my age that knows what to do with it. See, pick it up, dial these numbers here. We got a bunch of outlet here. They give you coffee. A bunch of coffee stuff and creamery there. So that's pretty cool. You get a trash. Yeah, that's it. That's what you get in this room. And then over here, you get a mirror. It's huge, and then you get all this space here for putting your stuff. And then the bathroom is tiny too. And that's all you get. And the shower's over there, looking nice. Yeah. This is Moxy for you.